We had, of course, the JSE opening a 0.1% higher this morning. It's since turned around. The Dow futures has also turned around. Why has this market turned negative?
Sorry, Stephen, could you please repeat that?
We've had a big turnaround since the opening this morning. We have the market now in the red. What led to that turnaround in equities?
Yes, we saw the S&P turning negative, and with possible doubts from in terms of growth out of the US, and we're seeing the amount of bond issues that are coming out of the Eurozone. A lot of concerns about the global economy is causing a bit of a pullback. We're seeing there's a holiday out in Korea. Volumes are fairly low, so equities coming off. We did try and break that 25,800 support level on the Aussie future, and we see that we haven't really been able to do that. So we've seen a bit of a pullback, and the bears are out today with the absence of any real positive news, Stephen.
Of course, we also saw the Dow to 4-month high yesterday, and every time it does that, it seems to pull back again from those levels. So do you think this is going to continue through to the New York session this evening?
Sorry, Stephen, we're just having a bit of a problem. I can't really hear. Could you repeat that?
Do you think the Dow also testing 4-month highs yesterday, looks like it could pull back from those levels in this evening's trade? What do you think?
Yes, Steve, I think traders and investors have been cautious ahead of that. We did see the Dow reach that 4-month high at the beginning of August, and we did see it come back. So definitely a key level. Investors not really convinced that the growth is going to come through.
Of course, we saw the rand yesterday strengthening significantly, going down to around R7.4, R7.5 against the dollar, helped by that Fed announcement last night. This morning, strengthening even further, and we had that current account number coming out just a short while ago, and that seems to have given the rand some more legs.
Correct, Stephen. We saw it dip below R7 at 6.99. It was just off that key technical level. If it gets down to 6.98, we could see it possibly strengthen to 6.90. All of these factors are really contributing to a stronger rand in the short term.
Just your view on that current account number, 2.5% deficit of GDP. And of course, the market was looking for a number of around 3.2%.
The number obviously very positive for the South African rand, very negative in the short term for our exporters, but positive for importers in the long term if they take the opportunity to really restock and to build their inventory base, so that they can because the rand is bound to weaken further in the longer term. So we possibly could see a benefit if importers take advantage of the stronger rand.
And of course, while we have that gold price heading towards $1,300 an ounce, the strong rand is really going to negate the positive impact on that for our gold producers, isn't it?
Yes, even if the rand continues to strengthen, and obviously in terms of our higher electricity costs, the gold mining industry in South Africa is very dangerous. We're seeing higher wage employments coming through. Our gold miners will be under pressure, even with the higher gold price.